Hey guys, we received this Jukmo men's leather ratchet belt. So this is the original slide buckle and it comes in a really nice gift box that you can see from here. So first impression on the gift box itself is nice that you can just give a gift and very nice packing here. Just open the box and you can see a nice packing even inside. So I just like the packing of this buckle, that how it comes in this small pouch like this one, and really looks nice and very premium if you want to gift it to someone. And then this buckle packing and the buckle quality is very nice, very shiny thing here, and it is a ratchet buckle. Then this belt is a leather belt, and you can actually set this up. So this buckle have this ratchet thing here, and then you can also cut able to your desired sizes. So this is the large size and have all the marks here that you can cut, or for the length whatever you want to. So you can just put it in here and then just click it. That's it, it's all set. So very nice design, very easy to use and very precise adjustment. As you can see it here, very smooth, very comfortable, and this is a full grain leather and a silicone gel eco-friendly inside that you can see, and fitting wise is good and is a one button operation. You can just put it in here and it can help just take this out. So as I see, it looks really nice with the blue, and yeah, perfectly fit, nice belt.